REFRIGEE, Southern REFRIGEE.
Morning style, when I go to my neighbor's house, I go and bomb as well, because I will go and tell something I can't do with hell. Nothing like hair gel. Then I fell in the well, because I was too loosey to dwell. Something I can't tell. Then I came to my house to chill with my mouse, that can play with my spouse, that can help with my grandpastor Ross job. And when I spray paint in St. Louis, when I get completed by something I can't depaint. And when the police come to my hood, I grab my hood and I would do good. When I should, then I stood at the spot with the bar that my thought, and I could just leave like a doom, lower up and scream. Hey, 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 Southern REFRIGEE.